The immune system, our defense against viruses, bacteria, and... Ooh, chocolate. And while we have cells, antibodies, and chemicals, it's hard to see how they're all kept in check. Well, this is really bad. I'd like to introduce you to our good old friend, the cytokine, the protein designed to send signals to cells and coordinate interactions necessary for our immune response to function. They can cause our immune cells to divide, activate, or specialize depending on the type of cytokine. But though there are many, we'll be focusing on the interferon. Humans have type 1 and type 2 interferons, and as the name suggests, they interfere with processes such as viral infection. A virus infecting a cell will typically go inside and hijack its machinery to make copies of itself. While parts of the virus are being produced, they can be displayed on a cell's surface through an MHC Class I molecule. Immune cells can then detect these viral pieces, and the infected cell releases interferons before being signaled to die. The cell's death is not in vain, however, as the interferon can bind to receptors in other cells. For type 1 interferons, the receptor parts move together upon binding, and below, the JAK parts are activated. When JAK is activated, another protein called STAT can also be activated through the transfer of a phosphate group. They can now bind to each other, and with this new shape stick to regions of DNA such as an ISRE. This can encourage the cell to produce antiviral proteins and is an example of the JAK-STAT pathway. Through the JAK-STAT pathway, cells receiving interferons can produce proteins to block a virus's production or degrade its genetic material. If one cell is infected, others receiving are alerted and can prevent further viral infection. Maybe he's not that bad.